Now the question number 4 is find the zero of the polynomial in each of the case. Now in question number 3 we have to verify the zero, therefore we put the given value at the place of x. But in case we have to find the zero, we put the whole polynomial equals to 0 and find the value of the variable. The value of the variable is a zero of that polynomial. Here the first part is p of x equal x plus 5. We have to find the zero because we have to find the zero of the polynomial. Therefore p of x equals to 0. Now p of x is x plus 5 equal 0 plus 5 equals to minus 5. Therefore x equals to minus 5 is the zero of the polynomial. Here the second part is p of x equals to x minus 5. Similarly, p of x equals to 0 because we have to find the zero of the polynomial. Therefore x minus 5 equals 0. Therefore x minus 5 again equals to plus 5 is the zero of the polynomial. And in the third part, p of x equal to x plus 5, again because we have to find the zero of the polynomial. Therefore p of x equals 0. Therefore 2x plus 5 equals 0 because p of x equals to 2x plus 5. Therefore 2x plus 5 again on the right side changes into minus 5 and 2 is in multiply which goes to divide, which is equals to minus 5 by 2. Therefore minus 5 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Now the fourth part is p of x equal 3x minus 2. Again we put p of x equals to 0 because we have to find the zero. Have to find the zero of the polynomial. Therefore 3x minus 2 equals 0. 3x equals to minus 2 changes into plus 2 on the right hand side and x equals to 2 by 3 because 3 is in multiply, it goes to divide. Therefore 2 by 3 is the zero of the polynomial. Here the next part is fifth part, which is equals to p of x equal 3x. Again because we have to find the zero of the polynomial. Therefore p of x equals 0. Therefore 3x equals 0. Therefore x3 is in multiply which goes to divide and 0 by 3 again 0. Therefore x equals to 0 is the zero of the polynomial. Here the next part is sixth part, which is equals to p of x equal ax where a is not equal to 0. Now again p of x equals to 0. Therefore ax equals to 0. Here is the value, that is a is not equal to 0, and when we multiply two number in which one is not equal to 0, then the other number must be 0. Therefore x equals to 0 by a, which is equals to again 0. Therefore x equals to 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now the last part is the seventh part, that is p of x equals cx plus d, where c is not equal to 0. C and d are real numbers. Real numbers, that means it can be rational or irrational. Therefore again we have to find the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore p of x equal to 0. Therefore p of x is again equals to cx plus d, which is equals to 0. Cx plus d changes into minus d and c is in multiply, which goes to divide. Therefore x equals to minus d by c is the 0 of the polynomial.